Well, hi everyone. Thanks for showing up for your learning once again. We're going to consider triangle ABC, where A is 32 degrees, side A is 15 centimeters, and side B is 18 centimeters. And we're going to state all the triangles and solve for the angle C in all possible triangles. Uh, well, there's only three possibilities here. There could be 0 triangles possible, 1 triangle possible, or the most interesting is when there's 2. So I'm probably going to give you one of those on the test unless I have a really strange idea. Okay, so let's label it. Don't forget that we draw triangles this way: big A, big B, big C, with little a over here, little b over there, and little c over there. So keep that in mind. Okay, angle A here, 32 degrees. That looks pretty good. Okay, side A might be like that, 15, and side B might be 18. Okay, and so label them A, B, C, and we want to solve for this angle C. Woof. All right, let's do it. Okay, turns out this one's going to have 2 possible triangles. I'll draw the other diagram over here as well, and you want to practice visualizing these. Okay, imagine that I took that side there and I rotated it like it's rotating around point C. Then that 15 side would come down here, a much smaller triangle. Okay, would cut off this whole little isosceles bit over here. There's an isosceles triangle over there. All right, so those are the 2 possible triangles. So I'll draw the other one, and that will help us understand angle C much better. So this triangle looks like this. And these two are very close, 18, 15, and this is still 32 degrees. Notice that all the given information is still there, but it's a very different oriented triangle, and both are possible based on sine law. So let's use sine law here. Okay, I'm just going to erase those little help you visualize it ideas, things there, and let's get going. So let's solve this one first. Well, we'll solve both of them at the same time. So we are looking for, let's find angle B. Okay, and so let's put our unknown on top. Sine B over 18 is equal to sine 32 over 15. And then we go ahead and multiply both sides by 18 to give us this expression. Sine of beta is equal to 18 sine 32 over 15. Okay, and then let's go ahead and find that with our calculator. Move it over here. 18 times 32, but I take the sine of it, divided by 15 equals, that's the sine of beta. Sine beta is 236. Wait, 0.636. 0.636. Okay, now here is the ambiguity in sine law, because there are 2 angles that exist, one of them this acute angle, one of them this obtuse angle, where the value of sine is 0.636. Let's find the first one. We go trigonometry. We say, find me the angle that has that sine. It's 39.5 degrees. Oops. X. Just go away. Okay, 39.5 degrees it was. So beta, over here, B. Sorry, I keep on calling it beta. It's B. This is 39.5 degrees here. And if you gave it to me as 40 degrees, that'd be fine, because I didn't ask you for a certain number of decimal places, but I'll probably tell you to round to the nearest degree on the test. So 39.5 degrees is beta there. But what would it be over here? This is B, this is A, this is C, but B is clearly obtuse. Okay, well, this angle over here is 39.5 degrees. Then that angle there would be 180 minus 39.5. So let's do that. 180 minus 39.5 is going to be 140.5 degrees. Okay, so that's this angle here, is 140.5 degrees. Now we're ready to solve for angles C, and there's two of them. So let's call this C and this C prime, okay? And we're going to go down here. Angle C is equal to 180 is the total angles of the triangle, minus 32 degrees, that's this one, minus 39.5 degrees. All right, so that C is going to be equal to, let's just do it on a calculator, 180 minus 32 minus 39.5 equals 108.5. 108.5 degrees. Cool, that's a fairly big obtuse angle up there, 108.5. Now let's calculate C prime. C prime is equal to, well, it's going to be the same idea, 180 minus 140.5 minus 32. Oh, that's going to be quite small. 180 minus 140.5 minus 32 equals, oh, only 7.5 degrees. Cool. So put that in. Equals 7.5 degrees. Okay, circle them, and you might have a therefore statement. I should really get this therefore statement at the bottom of my work, shouldn't I? Therefore, angle C is either 7.5 degrees or 108.5 degrees. So, any questions about that? Grab me in class tomorrow or hit me up by email. Otherwise, thanks for showing up for your learning.